Hi, my name is Gitika and let's see what's inside in my another makeup kit. So this is basically a pretty beginners friendly makeup kit. So here I have bunch of items. I'm going to show you one by one. So first thing first, I have a aloe vera gel in this kit. So as you know, aloe vera gel works amazingly in order to create a barrier or a wall in between your makeup and your skin. So I generally prefer to apply aloe vera gel first, and then the second item I have in this kit is Lakme Lumi Cream. So this is basically a moisturizer cream which is again good for our skin in order to create a barrier in our skin or in between our makeup. So this is the Lumi cream which have already in it highlighter, so I don't need any another highlighting product. So as you can see, it's highlight my skin, enhance my skin texture very well. The next product I have in this kit is this Pond's BB Plus cream. So if you don't need or if you don't want to apply any foundation, any full coverage foundation, you can use any other BB cream. So here you can differentiate between my skin where I am applying products. So here the next thing I'm gonna use is a concealing stick. So concealing is like a pretty simple task you can learn initially, when you learn makeup. So here I have another eyeliner pen, and then I have a kajal also. Kajal is like a game changer in between your eye makeup. Kajal is must. So here I have a kajal stick on my kit, and then I have a eyeshadow palette. This is cream based eyeshadow palette. Let me show you the pigment it has, like pretty glittery color. So it is cream based palette, eyeshadow palette. I love this. So you can, if you are a beginner or you want to create eye makeup looks, you can perfectly go with this eyeshadow palette, this creamy base eyeshadow palette. Then I have a lips outliner pencil. So here I love this pigment, as you can see, like a deep brown pigment. Then I have a lipstick. So as you can see, the tint red, pretty blood red tint. So these are the things I'm carrying in my beginners makeup kit: a aloe vera gel, a moisturizing cream, and a eyeshadow palette, and a concealing lipstick, BB cream, kajal and eyeliner pen, and a lips outlining stick. So yes, that it's for this video, guys. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe if you love makeup like I do. So see you in the next one. Bye.